Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to message someone on X. So before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that you can only message people on X who follow you or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so open X application on your phone and tap this letter icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. That's your messages section. Now tap new message button or this icon with plus sign and search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. From the list that appears, you have to select specific person that you want to message, and this will redirect you to chat with this person. So type your message, and when you are ready to send it, just hit send button. This is this paper plane icon, and now you see that the status of my message is sent. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.